Hi student, today we solve one simultaneous equation and here heading is solve the following simultaneous equation and the simultaneous equations are 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 10 by 3, 2x plus 1 by 4y equals to 11 by 4. These equations are also called as the linear equations in two variable. Here x and y are two variable and we solve these equations and find out the values of x and y. So first we write this equation. First equation is 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 10 by 3. So we write here first equation. First equation is 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 10 upon 3. Then we add here the left hand side and here denominator is different, so cross multiply. X 1 into x as it is plus 3 into y 3y upon multiplications of denominator 3 into 1, so right here 3 is equals to 10 upon 3. Then here this 3 get cancel, 3 get cancel. Therefore here x plus 3y is equals to 10. This is equation number first. Next we solve the second equation and here first we write here the second equation. Second equation is here the second equation 2x plus 1 by 4y is equals to 11 by 4. So we write here the second equation since 2x plus 1 by 4y is equals to 11 by 4. Again here we add the LHS, so cross multiply 4 into 2, so right here 8x plus y upon 4 is equals to 11 by 4. These 4 get cancels. So we write here 8x plus y is equals to 11. This is equation number second. Then we solve equation first and second and find out the values of x and y. So in this equation coefficient of x is 8. In this equation's coefficient of x is 1. So multiply equation first by 8. Then the coefficient of x are equal. So equation first multiplied by equation first multiplied by 8, then we get here the new equation 8 into x 8x plus 8 into 3y 24y, 8 3s are 24, and here 8 into 10, so right here 80. Next equation second as it is, equation second multiplied by 1, that is here equation second as it is 8x plus y is equals to 11. Then we subtract this two equation and we change here in subtraction we change the sign of the lower equation. 8x get cancel, so we write here 0 plus 24y minus y, so we write here 23y is equals to 10 minus 1 9. Here 1 plus 1 2, 8 minus 2, so right here 69. Therefore y is equals to, here divided both side by 23, so y is equals to 69 divided by 23. So here 23 3s are 69 because 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So we write here 3, 23 3s are 69. Therefore the values of y is equals to 3. This is the value of y. Next we put the value of y in equation second or equation first. So we put the value of y in equation second. And equation second is 8x plus y is equals to 11. So put in equation second, that is 8x plus y is equals to 3 is equals to here 11. So we write here 11. We write here 11. Therefore here from this we find the value of x at x is equals to 11 minus 3. Therefore at x is equals to 11 minus 3, that is 8. Divided both side by 8. So we get here x is equals to 1. Because here if I divide both side by 8, then 8 get cancelled. So x is equals to 1. Therefore the value of x is equals to 1 and value of y is equals to 3. So in this way we solve one simultaneous equation. We solve this simultaneous equation, and the simultaneous equation is here 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 10 by 3. 2x plus 1 by 4y is equals to 11 by 4. We solve these simultaneous equations and find out the values of x and y. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे 10वी मधलं प्रॉब्लेम आहे. लिनियर अल्जेब्रा म्हणून तुमचं पहिलं चॅप्टर आहे, इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लेम आहे. तर आपण त्याचं सोल्युशन्स घेतलेलं आहे. तर याची तुम्ही चांगली प्रॅक्टिस केली तर याच्यावर तुम्हाला काही डिफिकल्टी पुढं येणार नाही. ओके.